Good morning, good morning, good morning. Emoneyshoes back up in this thing. Mr. KL4, and we always doing this thing brick by brick. I'm so happy. I can't even talk. So happy, sappy. You hear the minor birds, fresh air. It's a Saturday, Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone. Who has the heat? Back up on it. OG sneakers. No. Last battle of the first round to go on, right? In the building with the 6313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ on the Who Has the Heat channel today, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So tune in and check us out. All right, now I want to try to give you guys the most information the fastest possible, so I want to don't get too long-winded. Let's get into this review. Shout out to Elliot. He hooked the brother up last night. He hit on the early drop on sneaker that dropped in earlier this week. This shoe is not scheduled to release until Black Friday. But y'all already know, I gotta have all fours. I gotta have them. So here we are. As you can see, PP personal pair, size 10, white, fire red, black, tech gray. As you can see, suggested retail price $200 on the thing. You got your QR code, all of that good stuff. Normally the shoes, the Jordans with the air on the ass has been $225, but they doing us pretty decent on this shoe. So this is the 2020 version. As you can see, red in there like so. You got the paper in there like so. It should look like this. And this is what we all been waiting for. So I'm almost pretty much done with my cops for the y'all know about y'all. But bam! Right there in the flesh. I know there was some concern about the shoe being pinkish, but they were just poor quality on that Jordan brand picks. But as you can see, all's well in the land, right? You just do that spin and you got that Nike Air Fresh on the ass. Again, shout out to the homie Elliot in the sneaker group on YouTube, on Hawaii Sneakerheads and Honolulu Soul Searchers. So let's get into these joints right here. So as you can see, you always get the pop-out stars on the 4, the herringbone traction, the swoosh, all of that good stuff. Y'all already know. Tinker hat feel shoe, right? On the leather, a little bit stiff, but I think pretty much on all of the 4s, the leather's pretty much stiff. You got your netting right here, and you got your black under here. Coming up on the tongue, pretty good on the leather. You got flight. You got your white laces right here. Then you got your waffles. You got your Nike Air hang tag. Up here, you got your unit, right? You already know 3, 4, 5, 6. Got your Air unit on the shoe. Be careful on these because with age, right, this will come off if you don't take care, and this eventually will start yellowing. Now as you can see on this, you got Nike Air on the ass. On the unions, I think it's a little bit bigger, but you can see kind of got a slight offset. Then you got your pop-outs right here, and then behind this tab, this is pretty good the way they did this tab. Not too bad, but if you don't wear the right socks, it will dig into your heel and it's gonna be sore. As you can see back here, nice hits of the red. Always have the Air Jordan upside down. Coming around here, pretty much the same thing. On the media side, paint is all good, which y'all already know 4s are notorious for cracking. So what, you gotta walk around the house a little bit, let the paint or the glue settle in so it won't be cracking. As you can see, pull out the shoe tree. It should say like so, 10 and a half. Inside you have a 10. Like I said, PP personal pair. We're gonna put this over here. Now let's compare this to these joints right here, my 2012 pair. So it's been about 8 years, but as you can see, these don't have the Nike Air on the ass, right? The red is slightly different on this shoe, and as you can see, as it started, the color is cracking, all that good stuff. But for almost a 10-year-old shoe, it's not that bad. Not that bad, not bad at all. As you can see here, come over the tongue too. You can see more of the red on this one, where this one, it doesn't really come over. It's more tucked in on the shoe. And you can see right here, look, the paint has majorly cracked on this side, and the bubble is really cloudy on this shoe. So yeah, now I can go ahead and beat that pair up, and let these marinate and let these sit for a while. But for those of you who hit on the mochas this morning, congrats to you. I wasn't really trying to go for those. This was my priority. Like I said, I always like the 4s. So a very, very dope and very, very lovely shoe. So on a little lit meetup, as I always like to say, you already know I'm gonna give this a Five out of Five. We got this with the Nike Air on the ass, the Breads with the Nike Air on the ass, the Cool Gray with the Nike on the ass, and guess what? We only need the military blues. I have those, but I don't have the one with the Nike Air on the ass. So Jordan Brand, just hook your boy up for 2021. I can ride off into the sunset. But other than that, like I said, very, very dope shoe. Clean. The leather's not the greatest. It's okay, but like most people say, good leather is kind of stiff. So, hey, it is what it is. So you let me know in the comments below, are you going to go after these? Is it not your cup of tea? You know, just let me know what you think about this. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.